welcome back to the pink envelope. We are doing a family Stitch Fix unboxing. We have a men's box, 2 kids boxes, and a woman's box we're gonna open for y'all. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay, first everybody show them. Everybody gets one of these. This is your outfit guide. It talks about the clothes in your box, how to wear them, and a note from your stylist. The next is our invoice. And the invoice talks about the cost of everything. I don't know if you can see, but on the adult invoice, there's about 5 items. On the kids invoice, there are 10 items. All right, let's put these back here. Everybody
show the back.
Oh, that's okay. Pull out your items like this and move your box. Move your box, Doodles.
You get that camera. It's all yours.
Good job, Paigey.
Oh, close phone now.
Okay, here. Push your box. All right.
She has no boxes to get into
So,
Really?
open your first package.
Hold on.
There we go. Everybody grab one item. Let's show them what we got.
This one? Okay, that's not one.
Hey!
Look at this jacket.
This is pretty good looking.
Oh, it has my favorite color. They all
We
know
kind
what
of
I want.
match.
New pants.
Paige, you got pants. Daddy, you're the most colorful.
Yep.
All right.
Daddy, the pink.
All right. Mommy and Daddy are going to keep their items, but Emma and Paige, grab another item and show it off.
Ooh, that's cute.
Paige.
Hey, these coordinate. Look at this. Girls can do anything and heart of gold.
I love that page.
Those are very pretty, y'all.
And
Excellent.
boys can do.
Okay, put those items behind. And let's all show another item. Ooh, mine's super soft.
Oh, check out mine. Softer than my box.
Emma, let's turn ours around. Mine has elbow patches and buttons down the back. Hers is a split back.
Oh, I
Paigey,
like
let me
your-
see yours.
Bunny rabbit.
Aw, Dad, let's see yours. Hey, that's a good looking button down.
That's a good shirt.
Hey, do you already have
Mine's
that too?
super soft. Okay, Emma and Paige, show us another one.
Oh, mine's soft. Ooh, I need these a lot. Actually, I really need these.
You really need those pants?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, those are so cute.
Feel how soft.
Oh my, those are very soft.
Hey, this is soft.
Let me
It
feel
looks
yours.
stink.
Oh, Paigey.
It's almost like pajamas.
That has a kitty on it, Paigey. That's exciting.
It's real cute.
Let me see it real quick. What size is that? Oh, it's extra, extra small. Well, we'll get some leggings underneath that girl. Okay, let's all show something else.
My last item in my packet.
Ooh, those are good looking jeans. Oh, Paigey, you and Daddy match.
I like it.
This is a cute sweater.
I got those dancing legs. Okay, look, my whole body's legs, and I have hands. I look like
I love the colors in this. All right, Emma and Paige, show another item.
Hey, I can
Do that one.
So today's it. Oh, it's mine too. Oh, still
Ooh.
Hey, my heart's not really soft right now.
There you go.
This is soft.
O-M-G-Y-D.
Whoa, Paigey.
O-M-G-Y-D-D-D-R-E. It's in there.
Okay, Daddy, we can show one more item.
I
Alright.
don't know, but
You got a
if
hoodie?
you were here, you would
I got
love the texture.
Turtleneck. What'd you say, Emma? If they were here, they would love the texture. I
Yeah.
agree. It feels very pretty.
And look, guys, look at this jacket. I totally.
Yeah, I like my hoodie.
I like your hoodie. Your hoodie matches Emma's. Daddy.
Yeah.
Emma.
And Paigey, we match. Hold yours up, Paigey. We match.
I like it.
Oh, it has a hoodie.
No, it's just a
It's okay.
jacket.
Oh, let me see yours, Emma. That's cute. That's nice.
Look to the back. It's kind of like a cute color.
It is. What do you have?
What's this?
So no,
Oh.
no.
What is this?
Oh, it's just a sweater. So it opens in the front. So it hangs like this. It has a pocket. Yeah. Come on.
Then that.
Okay. Put that on.
Can I do my next one? Hey, what's on the back?
Hold on.
Look at that.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Can't look
Yeah.
at that.
Oh.
Can't look at that.
Okay. Oh, Paigey, you look so cute.
I like it.
I'm going to my pockets.
Okay, let's all show another one.
I think this is not my.
Ooh, those look like comfy pants.
What's this? Cool.
I think we have
it's
shoes.
Okay. It's okay.
Hey, I think Emma already has a shirt like this. Do you have a shirt like this?
Yep.
You do. Do you think that's okay? I think that's so cute.
Well, look at
Those
my
are cool pants. Okay, what's your next item?
What?
Look at that.
Oh, Emma, show your next item. Hey, y'all both have pants.
Oh. You guys
Those are
look at that.
comfy, stretchy
Whoa,
pants.
stretchy pants. Are y'all both have stretchy pants? Whoa.
I can walk.
All right,
I
look,
can
me and
dance.
Okay.
Paige have extra items.
Paigey and Daddy, show your shoes off.
Whoa, a clothes file.
Sit down so I can see their shoes. Come over here, please. Oh, how cute!
Wow. Pair of Sperry's top
I
siders.
like those a lot, Daddy.
Yeah.
Those are very nice. Look at Paigey's.
We got
Hers
so
are-
much clothes.
Kids for kids.
That's a very nice
Look
pair of
at
Sperry's.
that.
Look at your pile. That's amazing. Okay, everybody turn and look at their pile and pick out their favorite item and show the camera.
No, I have a whole bunch though.
Pick one.
Can I pick two?
I like this shirt.
I like this sweater.
I like these.
I like the shoes.
These two.
No, Emma picked two also. She picked a sweater and a jacket. Paigey has her dress. Here you go, Paigey.
Thank you. Emma! Hey!
Cute.
Look at this stuff. It's so cold.
Awesome.
I like it.
So, that is a family Stitch Fix unboxing. We'll see if I can round up any of these invoices. Anybody who wants to stick from this point on, you can. I'm going to go through some costs. Hey, ladies, if y'all want to go play,
Yeah.
you can.
Come on, kids. Let's
Bye,
get out of here.
guys. Can you watch more of our videos?
Oh, well, I agree with that. Can they give us a thumbs up also, you think?
Can I have both of them now?
You can have both of them now.
She
Okay,
loves water
let's get over.
bubble
Come
gum.
on, Emma.
Okay, so for the men's items, he had 5 items in his box, which came to a total of $189 after his discount. To give you a concept, the most expensive item was the shoes at $60, and the cheapest was his burgundy tee at $29. For Paige, the little girl sitting closest to Dad, she got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items for $198. And so her most expensive item are the Keds for Kids Kate Spade shoes at $56. And her cheapest item was a pair of fleece leggings at $14. And Emma, who was sitting right here next to me, her total of 10 items comes to $157.50. Her most expensive item was a hooded sweatshirt at $28. And her cheapest item were two different tops. They were only $16. And then for for me, that's who's left. For me, I had 5 items. My total came to $154.50, with my most expensive item being the Artemis button-down back top at $44. So this guy. Nope. Is that it? Nope. Just kidding. This guy. I knew it was gray. It's extraordinarily soft. So this was $44. And then my cheapest item was $38, and it was the first item I just showed you. So I don't have a lot of variety. I'm not real sure about mine. Like this top, I don't foresee myself being a fan of. We'll see about this top. It's a 50-50. Same with this one. This is a 50-50 for me. I don't think I'm going to like that one at all. And I think this is cute. I'm just going to have to evaluate whether I need it in my wardrobe. But Jonathan's Fix, which is all over here, I love the coloring on. Love, love, love. These are colors he does not have. I've been trying to get him into more light hoodies. This hoodie right here I think is great. I'll see what his thoughts are. Basic tees are always good in this house, and this one is super soft. So here's a great basic tee. I mean, this is actually extraordinarily soft. This button down I like a lot. It's super thin, which means he can roll the sleeves and wear it even in summer. And then this is a go-to shirt for him. He wears these kind of things all the time. So I don't know. I'm going to get his feedback. I love his entire fix. I love the colors, and I love the shoes. So we'll see. And then the kids, oh my goodness, y'all, it's everywhere. But you can see that their stuff is super, super cute. And in my opinion, the price point for these items is very, very good. The shoes and the youngest one's fix do push the price point a little higher than I normally spend. But I mean, we're talking custom Kate Spade Sperry's. So I am going to put up a blog post with photos, probably not of all the clothes, but a good majority of the clothes, as well as everybody's thoughts on what they thought on their fix, and a link to sign up. If you message me, email me, or contact me personally on any of these formats, I will send you a $20 credit to shop with to kick off your Stitch Fix experience. Otherwise, go sign up on the blog. Give it a try. Have your entire family's fashion sent to your door for no work and no time. It's pretty fabulous. I'm just halfway tempted to keep this film rolling just so everybody stays out of the way and stays quiet. It's pretty nice in here. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.